Hi everyone, welcome to DBS Math channel. So today, continuing class 9th polynomials, question number 4. Here they are asking to find the zeros of the polynomial in each case of the following cases. Just we have to find the value of x here. Here find the zeros of the polynomial in each of the following cases. So here they gave some polynomials. Here we have to find that value. That means we have to equate this polynomial to 0. Then we have to find the value of that polynomial. So let's see how to find that value. So now what is the given? P of x is equal to x plus 5. So in this case, first you equate this P of x is equal to 0. So if we substitute P of x is equal to 0, let us take. So here P of x is equal to 0. Let us take P of x is equal to 0 now. So here find the 0 they are asking. So we are equating to 0. So now let's take what is the value of P of x here? X plus 5 is equal to 0. Now I have to find the value of x here. So send plus 5 to the RHS. So plus 5, if we shift to the RHS, it becomes minus 5. So it is x is equal to 0 minus 5. X is equal to 0 minus 5, it is minus 5. So this is the value of x, or this is the value of the polynomial here. First just you take P of x is equal to 0, take the value of P of x, that is x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now find the value of x by shifting here. X plus 5 it is minus 5, 0 minus 5 it is minus 5. Here the value of polynomial it is minus 5. So now sub question 2, P of x is equal to x minus 5. So what is our first step? Take P of x is equal to 0. So here just we have to find the value of 0. So we have to equate to 0 here. So now let us take what is P of x here. X minus 5 is equal to 0. So now we have to find the value of x. Take minus 5 to the RHS. So here x is equal to 0 plus 5. So x is equal to 0 plus 5, it is 5. So x is equal to 5. So let's go for next third sub question. Here 2x minus 5. What is our first step? P of x is equal to 0. Now substitute P of x here. 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. Now send this minus 5 to the RHS. So here remaining will be 2x is equal to 0 plus 5. Minus 5 it is plus 5. So 2x is equal to 0 plus 5, it is 5. So here you need to find the value of x. So x is equal to, here it is multiplied. So if we tend to the RHS, it is division. So it is 5 by 2. So here x value is equal to 5 by 2. Just take the value of P of x is equal to 0. In the place of P of x, substitute it. And here you have to find the value of x. Finally you got x is equal to 5 by 2. Question. P of x is equal to 3x minus 2. So what is our first step? P of x is equal to 0. Take 0. So now substitute it. 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Here we have to find the x value. Take minus 2 this side. So 3x is equal to 0 plus 2. So here 3x is equal to 0 plus 2, it is 2. Here you need to find the value of x. X is equal to 2 by 3. So this is the value of x here. Now let's go for fifth here. P of x is equal to 3x. So what is our first step? P of x is equal to 0. Clear? So here what you have to find? 3x is equal to 0. So you have to find the value of x. X is equal to 0 by 3. So here it is multiplied. If you take to the RHS, it's division. So 0 by 3 is equal to x is equal to 0. You can check here. If you substitute 0 in the place of x here, so what the value of whole this? It is 0. Here also if you substitute 2 by 3 in the place of here, 2 by 3, 3 cancel, 2 minus 2 again 0. You are getting the value is 0. So just in previous question they gave the value of x, just we are substituting and we are verified whether the whole polynomial becomes 0 or not. In this case they only said it is a 0, just we are finding the value that. So now let's go for sixth here. P of x is equal to ax. So here a is not equal to 0, because if a becomes 0, the whole x will be equal to 0. Clear? So now here let us find. So what we have to take? P of x is equal to 0. So what is value of ax is equal to 0. What is the value of x here? So here P of Ax is equal to 0 by A. So 0 by A is equal, x is equal to 0. Don't think that here A is not equal to 0. Here you are not substituting in the place of A, because both are variable. A is also variable, x is also variable here. So they are mentioning A is not equal to 0 here. It is a constant here. A is constant here. So P of x is equal to 0, Ax is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 by A, x is equal to 0. So here if you substitute in the place of x 0, the whole A into 0, it is 0, P of x becomes 0. So the last question in this heading, P of x is equal to C plus D, and here saying C is not equal to 0 here. Here C is not equal to 0 means here value of, if we take 0 as here, the whole x multiplied x variable becomes 0. So now let us take here. So P of x is equal to 0, Cx plus D equals 0. Clear? So now let us take D to the RHS. So Cx plus D becomes minus D. Clear? So now 0 minus D, it is minus D. So now you have to find the value of x. X is equal to minus D by C. So this is the value of x here. So P of x is equal to 0. Cx plus D equals 0. So D would send to the, here I can go for one more step. Cx is equal to 0 minus D. 0 minus D, it is minus D. Directly I wrote here. Or if it is confusion, you can see here. Cx is equal to 0 minus D, it is minus D. So now you have to find the value of x. So x is equal to minus D by C. So this is about question number 4 in exercise 4.2. For more exercise questions, subscribe my channel and keep watching. Thank you.